Welcome to wispers. Tinubu. Amoda Lamidi. Lamidi. Ó ti tẹ́. Lamidi Sangodele. Eh. Mm. Yeah, for one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one for Nigeria. You know that. So since Tinubu is 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 coming out of his shell and taking a stand, I think it's a deal for us to know who Tinubu really is. So let's find out. Come along with me. Ahmed Bola Tinubu, aka Amoda Lamidi Sangodele, Nigeria's Pablo Escobar. When people talk about the convicted white heroin money launderer turned professional political looter, self-styled leader of APC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, not real names, by the way, and say things like, he's the most successful Southwest politician in history. It makes me nauseous. To make it even worse, when they are challenged to name his successors, they start talking about how many governors, commissioners, ministers, etc. he has installed. Àwọn láfọbàjẹ́. Òjèlú àfọbàjẹ́. Do these people even know what the word successful mean? This man lied and he stole his way through life. Right from his name, Bola Tinubu is not his real name. It is Amoda Lamidi Sangodele. Then his mother, Abibatu Mogeji, was never his mom. This is a known truth. Then to his state, he is not a Lagosian. He is actually from Iragbiji in Osho State. Then to his age, Tinubu is nearer 80 than he is 70. In fact, his first wife and marriage died last year and she was around 78 years old. Then to his education, he never attended Government College Ibadan or the University of Chicago. None of these institutions ever acknowledged him. Then to his conviction, both he and his wife were convicted. His wife Remy, were convicted of laundering white heroin money by a U.S. court in 1994. They escaped prison by forfeiting nearly $500,000. Then, to his governorship, he never won his primaries in AD. He was rigged to the detriment of other candidates. Then to his governance of Lagos State, he prolifered and looted the state dry while he was the governor. He had no significant achievements from 1999 to 2007. After he left office, he continued to install stooges and continued to loot Lagos State money, even up till now. Bola Tinubu is one of the richest men in Nigeria today. He is the single largest shareholder in Lagos State PLC and is like an owner, founder, chairman board of directors. Whatever he says goes. His children are now also running rampage around Lagos, collecting their own share of the loot using their father's might. So when people say he has built people up and empowered them, it confuses the hell out of me. Empowered them to do what? Did any of them put a man on the moon or find a cure for cancer? Let me remind us that Rafiu Aregbesola left Osun State as one of the most indebted states in the country with no single visible achievement. What Bola Tinubu has done is empowered its foot soldiers, including thugs and armed robbers like MC Oluomo, so that he can expand his looting territory from Lagos to other southwest states and beyond by all means necessary. His sole ambition is to continue amassing wealth and expanding territory till he eventually takes over Nigeria at the expense of the ordinary Nigerian. What he has done is to empower these cronies to continue perpetuating the pilfering and looting he started in 1999. The ordinary people in Lagos continue to suffer from untold hardship and extreme poverty. Not a single world-class school or hospital built in 21 years of Lagos being run by a single person and political party. Let the truth be told. Amoda, Lamidi, Sangodele, aka Bola Tinubu, is nothing but an organized crime syndicate boss. That sums him up. Him and his wife. That just sums him up. He has nothing to offer. He has nothing of there. Is a crook, and he's so crooked. Oh my God. Eh? Ojú yọbọ ojú tó ti ń wó bàìbàì tó ti ń bì làbàlàbà ó máa tó yí dà sọnù. Irú ọkọ láyà, irú òroǹbó. No wonder they say behind every successful man there must be a woman. Likewise, behind every crooked man there must be a woman. I used to think that, oh my God, Bola Tinubu is, but his wife, I mean, the way she has been exposed this couple of days, oh my God, I'm like, oh, no wonder. Oh, they are birds of the same feather. I think the wife is even worse than Tinubu. I think Remy is worse. The two of them, they fit each other. They are a perfect fit. Yeah, they are a perfect match for each other. Their match is made in heaven. Àwọn gan-an fit ara wọn. So if the parents are like that, I mean, what do you have? What I mean, the children. Oh, come off it. By their fruits you shall know. By their parents you shall know them. So there you have it, guys. There you have Oju Yobo, the president of Dreamland. Oh my God! Everything about him is fake. Is fake. This is somebody that is not even proud from where he's from. Can you imagine? Iragbiji long, Omoko Rao. And you know what? He went there. He went to Osun State and said that he's more richer than Osun State. I mean, oh my God, that's so. If he can say that in his own state, so Kole do me. Nobody said me when he said, "Where are the cows? Where are the cows?" Okay, we shall see. And he wants to be president, and his wife too wants to be first lady, and their children will not be first family. In Nigeria's dreamland, dear Nigeria. It's okay. So guys, I just drop this here. Until I come your way again. Bye.